The life of a small business owner. Long days, endless task lists, clients demanding your attention. It's like a constant race against time while you respond to client emails, follow up on leads, and unpaid invoices, all while trying to grow your business. Do you ever catch yourself lying awake at night thinking, there has got to be a better way? If this sounds familiar to you, then stick around. This video might just change the game for you. Technology doesn't have to be scary. Hi there, I'm Isaac from Clear Sky Technologies, where we help small business owners use technology creatively to grow their business and achieve their goals. Let's face it, running a small business isn't for the faint-hearted. Managing customer interactions, keeping tabs on new leads, ensuring invoices are paid on time, and smoothly onboarding new clients can feel like juggling knives while blindfolded. Reality hits even harder when we realize managing the crazy amount of tasks often requires a basket full of software apps, which rarely play nice together. We end up spending more time juggling software than actually growing our business. And this is where customer relationship management systems come in, or CRM for short. Our favorite CRM here at Clear Sky Technologies is called SuiteDash, which actually handles a lot more than just customer relationship management, but we'll get to that in a moment. SuiteDash basically keeps all aspects of your business running together smoothly and efficiently using automation. By providing a huge number of toolkits, SuiteDash can automate the majority of processes and tasks in any business. CRMs like SuiteDash help centralize all crucial data about your clients, so you and your team are kept in the know. Imagine having every interaction with customers, their purchase history, preferences, and even future sales opportunities, all in one place. A good CRM will automate follow-ups based on custom triggers you set so that no lead goes unattended. Additionally, CRMs enable precise customer segmentation for targeted communication so you can get the right message to the right person at the right time. While there are many CRMs on the market, we highly recommend SuiteDash for your CRM needs for so many reasons. Other CRMs across the board will charge you based on how many staff and/or clients you set up in your system. With SuiteDash's unlimited pricing model, you can have unlimited staff and clients, so as your business grows, you aren't stuck with increasing software fees. SuiteDash also replaces the functionality of many other popular platforms into a single application where everything just works together natively. It's like the entire basket full of business applications all in one easy-to-use app. And lastly, SuiteDash is a community-driven platform. As a company, they listen to the needs of the community to determine the direction of future features, making it a platform designed truly with the end user in mind. In fact, my agency, Clear Sky Technologies in Denver, Colorado, is not only a Sensei agency partner with SuiteDash, but we're also a member of the larger SuiteDash community. We were using SuiteDash for ourselves before we started working to support SuiteDash for the community at large. Whichever platform you choose, a CRM makes it genuinely possible for clients to feel as though they're the center of your universe, because effectively they are. Few things will charm a client more than making them feel like they are the only one. But beyond the functionality of software and how it makes your clients feel, there is another element involved. It's okay. I'll say the quiet part out loud. There are emotional benefits to using systems like SuiteDash. With the right software in place, you'll find peace of mind in knowing no task falls through the cracks. You'll find confidence knowing your clients are being cared for even while you sleep. You'll even enjoy improved client relationships as your clients feel closer to you than ever before while they use your services more frequently. After implementing SuiteDash, you will certainly discover more time in your business that you didn't know you had. You can reinvest that time back into your business to grow faster or reclaim it to spend with the people and activities you love the most. Ultimately, SuiteDash is not just about running your business. It's about finding the freedom in your business that you truly deserve. It's about finding that sweet freedom and then using it to your advantage. In 2024, embracing technology like SuiteDash allows you to scale your business in ways you never dreamed possible. Technology is no longer merely an option, and especially if you're a solopreneur. If you want to seriously compete and grow your business in today's crowded market, you need to utilize technology to gain the upper hand, and I know you can do it. So I want to leave you with a couple questions for you to think about in your own business. Under your current business model, could you improve your efficiency while still providing the quality of service your clients expect? How much do your manual processes really cost you? Think about the amount of time it takes to perform the tasks, and what you could be doing if you didn't have to do it manually. How much does it really cost? If you think you might need a CRM and don't know where to start, go ahead and schedule a call with us at the link in the description. We can talk about the challenges currently facing you and how you can overcome them, even if you don't end up working with us. Before you go, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section. Have you used a CRM before? What reservations do you have about adopting new technology in general? Have you used SuiteDash before? Let us know your thoughts and questions. Don't forget to like this video if it brought you value, and subscribe to the channel for more small business tips like this. And until next time, keep growing.